It's time to change out the air conditioner in the kitchen. I've been using the 5300 BTU Emerson Quiet Cool, and that's been working great. I've had plenty of time to test that unit, so I want to try something else now. I'm thinking the 6300 BTU Samsung, or possibly something else. Let me think for a minute. I might also want to try this 1978 GE Carry Cool. I think that would work pretty well in there. But I think I'm going to try this one first. I got the Emerson Quiet Cool out of the window and down in the basement. Now I'm going to go install the Samsung. This one is working quite nicely. That rattling noise that it was making, I think it was one of the refrigerant lines, or maybe just the sound of the, I don't know what it was, but it went away. Compressor did just cut off because I was standing in front of it. I was getting cold air circulation, but should start up again pretty soon. Almost up to 100 today. Yesterday we got up to 102. Seems to be working just fine.